In this video, you'll learn how to connect your spectroscopy setup with the Raman mini app in AvaSoftX. You'll need a spectrometer, a laser unit including Raman probe, a probe holder, safety goggles, and reference material. Make sure to take into account all safety requirements for working with a laser. Place the reference material underneath the probe in the sample holder. Open the Raman application in AvaSoftX. Adjust the integration time to 1 second. To perform a dark reference, you need to turn off the laser if it is already turned on. Start a measurement, press the Start button. Click the Save Dark Reference button to capture the dark baseline spectrum. Choose the Scope minus Dark option in the Scope menu to check if your dark reference has been saved correctly. Turn on the laser. Align the laser by moving the probe a few millimeters up and down. The highest reflection intensity from the reference material indicates correct alignment, after which you can add the laser in the software. You can add the laser with or without calibration. For higher accuracy, click Add and Calibrate Laser and calibrate using a sample with well-defined peaks, such as PTFE or paracetamol, or a known laser wavelength. In this example, we demonstrate calibration using PTFE. Fill in the expected laser wavelength. Click Start Calibration. When the new measured wavelength doesn't change, click Stop Calibration. Click Save. Now the window shows corrected Raman shift spectra. Before changing to your sample, turn off the laser. Add your sample to the sample holder. If needed, you can align the laser again as described before. Turn on the laser. In this video, we use paracetamol as a sample. The spectrum is now shown in the spectrum window. Thanks for watching this video. In need of more information or support, visit our website or contact us directly.